Kapalbhati Pranayama, skull shining breath. On a physical level, this breath increases energy, improves your metabolism, and reduces abdominal fat. It also helps to clear the nasal passages, so great for the cold and flu season. The instructions are to inhale naturally, and as you exhale, you press the belly button back to the spine. The inhale comes natural, the exhale is heard. You can have a hand on your belly to make sure that you're breathing in the correct direction. After 30 seconds, take a rest. After some practice, you might choose to take this pranayama a little bit faster to increase the effects. After 30 seconds, take a rest.